Ciao a tutti, and welcome to La Voce Italiana, your daily dose of Italian pronunciation. This channel is all about helping you to speak Italian more clearly and confidently, one phrase at a time. So, are you ready to begin? Benissimo. Let's dive into today's 5 phrases. At the cafe, or in Italian we say al bar. Remember to repeat the sentences after me. Vorrei un caffè. Vorrei un caffè. Un cappuccino, per favore. Un cappuccino, per favore. Quanto costa? Quanto costa? Il conto, per favore. Il conto, per favore. È delizioso. È delizioso. Remember not to say cappuccino. It's cappuccino. And the double P means that there's a stronger pause. So practice saying cappuccino. Bravissimi. That's it for today. Daily pronunciation practice with La Voce Italiana. You've just learned 5 useful Italian phrases that Italians use every day. Remember to repeat these phrases out loud, even after you've completed with this video, to build your muscle memory, and this will improve your pronunciation. Don't forget to download today's free PDF, which will include the phrases, the English translation, your pronunciation tips, and a bonus sentence to try on your own. You'll find the link in the description below or on our website. Remember that tomorrow we'll cover 5 brand new phrases to help you speak more confidently in everyday conversations. So be sure to tune in daily. It only takes 5 minutes a day to improve your Italian, one phrase at a time. If you found today's lesson helpful, also please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. And I'd love to hear from you, so tell me in the comments which phrase you would like to hear. Grazie mille for practicing with me, and remember, a little Italian every day goes a long way. Ci vediamo domani. A presto. Ciao ciao.